Hi everybody and welcome in this new video about the perfect prompt. So to go and to see this feature you have just to push this button, the perfect prompt, and here we are. Here you have just to write a sentence about your need, and GeneratedBy generates the perfect prompt for you. It's to say the prompt who generates the better output results. For example, I want to create an engaging cold emailing to present my SaaS software. So I click here, I validate, and GeneratedBy is generating the prompt. So each time there is an introduction um, to give some context to the AI, and with also variable uh, like software name, target industry, software name, decision marker role, the tone also, it's very important, and with some example to fulfill this variable. And the notice also, which came when you launch the prompt in our chat UI, to give you the insight to fulfill the prompt and ask the answer to the AI. So you have to save. You can save and optimize, save and test directly, and we are going to save and optimize, and we see again in the next video, where we are going to see how optimize this prompt and test it in our chat UI.